Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to dress up as a male in Dress to Impress on Roblox. Many girls play this game, but guys rarely play this. So girls only want to dress up as a girl. So let's change the body of a girl into the body of a guy. Go here, go to this area, and then click on the body of a male just like this, and then click on yes. You've turned into a male just like this. Change the skin tone now. Go to this area and type in E. Pick any of these skin tones. I personally like a tan colored skin just like this. As a male, you also get hairstyles specifically designed for males just like these. Pick any of these and then color it the way you want it to be colored, just like this. You also get faces of a man. Click on masculine and pick any of these faces. I personally like a face without any mustache or beard. You also get clothes for men as well. Look here. Choose any of these clothes for you to wear. Pick this top for instance, and then choose this shorts, and then pick these shoes, and yeah, pretty much it. That's how you dress up as a male in Dress to Impress on Roblox. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.